Hi guys! In this video, I will create Google Play developer account. And if you want to create developer account for yourself, then follow my steps. Open any browser, here I opened Firefox, and search for Google Play Console login. Click on Google Play Console Android Developer and click on Sign In. Now, give your email to create developer account and complete signing process. After sign-in complete, get ready to set up developer account. Here, you need to choose your account type, an organization or individual. If individual, in Yourself, Get Started. Here, it's say what you'll need to create a developer account for yourself, an email address for developer profile, a contact phone number and email address for Google, a form of payment method, and you will need to verify your identity to publish app. Hit Continue. Type your developer name as you want. Click Next. Link a payment profile. Click on Create or select Payment Profile. Here, you give your address and payment method to verify your identity, so make sure it's correct. Click on Confirm. After creating payment profile, click Next. In Public Developer Profile, name and country already set from payment profile. Now type your public email address for app support. Check Acknowledgement and click Next. In About You, type your experience with Google Play. Other Google accounts? No. Website. If you have a website, type it here, else check I don't have a website. Click Next. Number of app you want to publish in a year. Give your rough estimation. Earning money on Google Play? Click Yes, if not, click No. Check what your earning method. App category. Click None of Above right now. Click Next. In How Google Contact You, type your name, type your email address, can be same email address as developer account. Preferred language, select your language, I will select English. Enter your phone number. Terms. Read all terms and condition and check accordingly. Here, I am going to check all and click on Create Account and Pay. Here, creating Google Play developer payment process begin. Here, you have to pay one-time fee that is $25 USD. Complete your $25 pay process and done. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Google Play Console account. Now click on Go to Play Console. Here, your ID verification begins. Finish setting up your developer account. Verify your identity. Verify that you have access to an Android mobile device. Verify your contact phone number. In Verify Your Identity, click Get Started, click Agree and start verification. Type your legal name, date of birth details. Select ID type like driver license, passport, national identity card, residence permit. Here I choose passport and upload ID photo and click Next. Second step, enter your address and upload any document proof of address that you live there and hit Submit and click Got it. Now verify Android phone. Scan QR code and sign in with developer email account. Go back. Now verify your phone number. Here, to verify your contact phone number, complete other verification task first. Here, you can verify phone number after you verified identity that you submitted. Now you wait for verification. These are the process to create and verify Google Play Console account. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more video like this.